Hi everyone, it's Anne from Positively Papercraft, and I'm back today because I wanted to use this die that I got in with my design team stuff from Alina. So yeah, beautiful. I really wanted to use this, and also this long kind of like butterfly die. So we're going to make a pretty box. I've already gone ahead and cut that butterfly out, so I've got two pieces of grey card which should be 10 by 10 I think. Well, yes they are, they're both 10 by 10. So we are going to score one of them at 2 inches on all 4 sides. Okay, so this will be the base. Excuse me. So 2, okay, that's our base, and then for our lid we've got exactly the same size, 10 by 10, and we're going to do what we did with the little boxes in the embellishment box the other day. We're just going to slightly pull it off the side of the board and then score 2. Okay. I'm going to put this over there, then I know that's the lid. So if we just come back to our base here, we just fold and burnish. And then our squares, as we've got 4 boxes in the corner, we are going to just cut up and then just remove a little bit in the corner, just like that. Then rotate it again, so we're always cutting the bottom right hand corner. Alright, so that is that. I've got another piece of paper that I'm going to put on in the inside of the box. Okay, so I'm going to glue that down, and that measures should be just under 6. Yeah, it measures 5 7/8 square. This is beautiful paper. I'm going to show you where it's from in a second. It's another first edition paper called The Promise. Absolutely beautiful. which is this one here, and honestly it is gorgeous. Look at some of those, beautiful, and that is like wallpaper. So that's what we're using. So we need to glue our little tabs together. So we're going to put some glue on here. Make sure they're all stuck down. And that's the inside, that's the base of our little box. Put that to one side, and then we're going to move on to the lid. So we're just going to do exactly the same as what we did with the base. But we're not going to glue it together just yet. I think I'm going to have to pop the light on. I'll be back in a second. I think that's a bit better now that I've put the light on. So this is going to be the top of our box. So what I've done is I've cut a piece of this matte foil to 5 7/8 by 5 7/8, and then I've cut this paper just 1/8 of an inch shorter, and then that's like going to be the layer of the beautiful butterfly. So I'm going to glue these on. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. And then we'll do that last, I think. So we're going to stick it together, because then what I was going to do was I cut out the die that I was talking about, and I cut one of the butterfly, I cut two out, and then I cut one of the butterflies off each end, because when this goes together like this, what I was going to do was I was going to wrap it around the front of the box. So we're going to try that as well. So we'll stick this together. Just make sure that it's all stuck. And I'm going to have to trim these little bits off, which I should have done. It's okay. Right, so isn't that just absolutely beautiful? So what I'm going to do now is I've cut these out, and then I've just slotted them in, which is the way they go together anyway. And then I don't know, I think what I'll do is I'm just going to have it on the front and just snip them off, because if I bend it round it's going to stop in the middle. You could cut it out again and just trim them bits off and add them on, but yeah, I think I'm just going to glue it on the front and then trim the rest off. So I'll just put some glue on here. hope I'm putting it to the right place, because I don't want to get glue all over my scissors either. No, I need a little bit more. That looks about right. And as I said, this is another one of Alina's beautiful dies. Absolutely gorgeous, this really is. Just make sure it's straight. Looks about straight. And then I'm just going to simply get the scissors and just trim that off. Isn't that beautiful? Now there's nothing stopping you going around the box and doing all the sides if you wanted to. Nothing stopping you at all. But I think for now I'm just going to do the top. Now let's hope the lid fits. It should. Yeah, fits perfectly. Isn't that just absolutely beautiful? And then what I'm going to do is I've just got a little, well, I'm saying little, it's not little. I've got a case of roses. I just keep like foam roses, paper roses in. So I think I'm going to have a pink and a cream, maybe it's 2 cream, and then I might have a couple of these paper ones as well. Now I don't know, because I'm quite tempted to actually do this another 3 times and put them all around the box, because this could be like a really special box, couldn't it, like a wedding gift or something, whatever you want. So I don't know. If I do, they'll be on the photographs when you see the start of the video. So I'm just going to pop them in the corner like this. Absolutely gorgeous. Yes, I'm going to stick the first. Just put that as a reference. I know that I want that down there. So as I said, I've got the glue gun on. It looks like I'm going to have to put another glue stick in. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I think it is anyway. So yeah, you can see you could go around and put the whole thing if you wanted to, but yeah, it would be a beautiful box for something special. And I think it might be worthwhile punching a couple of little finger holes in the side of here actually. There we go. So that's it. I will put all the links for Alina's dies in the description and also on my blog. But yeah, I just think that is so pretty. Absolutely beautiful. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Hope it's given you some more inspiration, and I'll be back again very soon with lots more videos. So thanks for watching, take care and bye for now.